Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yesterday, sadly, we're gonna continue our another requirement analysis video, which will be for episode number 19, and this will be for summer semester, winter semester combined, master degree program, engineering sciences, and we are focusing on mechanical engineering. In the previous video, we already did the episode number 18, RWTH Aachen computer aided some mechanical course, but then we got to know the application deadline is finishing on 28th February itself. I thought of making an application video, but today is already 27th, and today if I make first part, for second part I will be already end of the deadline, so I cannot make a video completely. That's the reason I thought I will skip that now. Maybe next winter I will show you how to apply. So we will further make episode number 19 for today's college, which will be in Esslingen University of Applied Science, which will be for design and development in automotive and mechanical engineering. So this will be for episode number 19. Before we start today's requirement analysis video, if you're new to this channel, in this channel we make videos about requirement analysis at first. In the requirement analysis, we usually go through the colleges which are there for respective domains for mechanical engineering, computer science, electrical, civil, etc. upon your interest. Then we will also check for all colleges and their requirements and registration. In the requirements and registration, we usually get to know what are the documents that you need to fulfill, what are the requirements that you need to have in order to get the admission. After having all your requirements fulfilled and your documents, we will check for the deadlines. When the deadlines is met, we will also make videos about step-by-step procedure how to apply. If you still need one-on-one session with me, or if you need more information, then you can become YouTube member, or you can easily email me. With this, I can only apply for you, or you will get more benefits of YouTube membership. But yeah, this is the thing I just wanted to mention you guys in the introduction of today's episode number 19. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, it will be overview. Degree is Master of Engineering, which is M Engineering. Course location is in Esslingen and Lecker. Usually, if it is M Engineering and Hochschule, it will be for 3 semester. Esslingen is falls under Hochschule Esslingen. Then teaching language is English, and language of course is this course is entirely taught in English, but a German language course is a intensive course that will be available in different level, which will be A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. is offered at the beginning of the program in September. Students also have opportunity to learn various other language. I would suggest, based on my experience, please take it. If you don't have nothing, not even a single A1, then please I suggest you to do every semester, so that until you finish your master degree, you would have at least done B1 level. So that's the reason I always suggest everyone, even though your entire course is English and you don't need to have English in your day-to-day life, but for job and finding a job and being communicative with German people, then I feel German is must. So please learn, then it will be very good for you. Full-time, part-time, it is full-time possible, no part-time available. Program duration is 3 semester. Beginning of semester is winter semester. The winter semester starts from 1st September. This is always same, but the good information is application deadline is till 31st March. So now we are 27th February. We have another 1 month of time to apply for this particular course. That's the reason I'm applying or making a requirement analysis videos now. Then the next 2 videos, you already know, I will be making videos of application for this particular Esslingen University for design and development automotive in mechanical engineering. As Esslingen comes under Baden-Württemberg state, that's the reason you will be having 1,500 euros per semester tuition fees. This is like common as a state fees, because in this Baden-Württemberg state, whichever the public university that comes, even though it is a public university, you have to pay 1,500. Upon this, you will also paying your semester contribution of 200 or 250. So total it will be per semester, it will be 1,700. No tuition fees for EU applicants, because they are the EU nationalities. Then combined degree program, no. Joint degree program is also no. And degree description and content, these are the things that you can check for it. Esslingen University of Applied Science has a long tradition of educating mechanical and automotive engineering, founded in 1914. Royal College of Mechanical Engineering. Okay, the university has always taken advantage of its location, one of the major centers of European industry, in therefore closely linked with nearby companies, which will be they include many global technology leaders in mechanical and automotive engineering, such as Mercedes-Benz Group, Audi, Bosch, Festo, Porsche, other things. Because usually Esslingen is place where Mercedes-Benz also arose, and it has a very wide history of it. But yeah, course details. So this will be your 3 semester course divided. You can directly jump into PDF where you will get the complete 3 semester picture in choreographic way. But here you will get the intensive description of each semester. In the first semester, you can just see the advanced strength of materials, where you will do lightweight design, advanced finite element method, integrity of structures. You will study about integrity of structures, failure analysis, vibration and acoustic measurement, dynamics, multi-body systems, simulation of multi-body system, etc. In the second semester, you will again do design of manufacturing, which will be for production oriented product design and production life cycle management, variation acoustic, which will be for vibration NVH in automotive system lab, CAT lab, computer aided vibration analysis, advanced material technology, advanced engineering materials, advanced CAD and other things. But this will be for your complete 2 semester course, where you will be doing majority of mechanical or computer aided courses for automotive engineering. Then in third semester you will do your final master thesis. Before you do your final master thesis, you can already take a urlaub semester and do this internship in any of the companies that are closely nearby, and Stuttgart is like just 20 minutes from Esslingen, so you will have wide variety of companies to apply for. And at the end of the degree, when you submit and you defend your thesis very well, then you will get a diploma supplement awarded at the end of the degree. International element, international guest lecture, language training provided, and training with intercultural skills is also already there. Course specific integrated German language course is yes, and course specific integrated English language is not possible. Cost and funding. So tuition fees is 1,500 euros, no tuition fees for EU applicants. 190 euro per semester is the semester contribution. As I told you many times, 1,500 is the tuition fees for Indian nationalities or any of the non-EU people. Upon this, 190 is the semester contribution. This 190 euros is just for college or the semester contribution. With this complete 1,700 aroundish money, you will be roaming around Germany as of now free, because with this you will get Deutschland ticket. But once the Deutschland ticket is gone, then you will get state ticket or the Esslingen city ticket, which you can use completely for traveling around the cities. Cost of living, and cost of living is considerably up to 1,100. It is up to people who live above that, below that, it's up to their lifestyle. But for 12 months, for 1 year anyway, you have to block your blocked account, so that will be coming around for sum of 11,000 something. With this, each month you will be having your blocked account money divided into 12 parts, and each month you will get your part. Then with that, if you're living under it, then you can live under it, but if you don't live under it, then you need to find a part-time job so that you can finance your studies and other things. Funding opportunity within the university, yes, there is a funding opportunity with this Deutschland Stipendium, and also other career opportunity, job services, and some other scholarship portal is always there. You can check, you can apply. If you get it, then it is well and good for you. But the main thing, in order to get into this particular course, what are the things that you need to fulfill, and what are the things that you need to have? First thing is bachelor degree in mechanical engineering, automotive engineering, or equivalent area of engineering that you need to have. And you need to have an overall grade of A or B, top 35%. So they have not mentioned. I don't know how they will measure it, but yeah, you need to have an overall grade of A or B. But before you come here only, I will tell, in order to get into Esslingen, you need to have a better grade, because it is one of the reputed college, and the selection process is also complex, and they will also take only top students like RWTH, TUM, and Esslingen also is one of that particular college. And minimum credit points in CAD 5 credit points, design 15, strength, material mechanics 10, and mathematics 8 credit points. And then you need to have a letter of motivation, 1 page, 2 letter of recommendation, that is normal, and online application, which way will show you how to apply for particular college. So this will be in our next part. After that, for China, Vietnam, India guys, then we need to have to submit our APS document. Language requirement, you need to have English. So German is not necessary, because it's a complete English language course. If you have not done English, if you have not done German, at the time. Therefore, all students should arrive in Germany September with the basic knowledge of A1 German. So that's the reason they are saying at the time of applying you need to have A1. So I'll take back my words, there is no German, because at the time of application you need to have A1 German, and before you finish your second semester you need to have A2. So in A2 you will study in the college with the German courses provided, but while applying you need to have A1. So this is the major important information. So you need to have A1 certificate while applying, and with the English language you need to have IELTS at least 6 or above. Application deadline is 31st March, and we apply here directly in their application portal, and this is the official address of Esslingen Graduate School. So I will make a video of 2 parts on how to apply for this particular course in next upcoming videos. But yeah, services: after getting an admission you will get your student visa. With this student visa you can work up to 280 half days and 140 full days. So you can either work in part-time and full-time, depending upon how you manage. If you do full time, then you can work 6 months, which will be for your internship, and another 6 months you will be not doing anything. Then if you divide it for part time, then you can work 240 half days. With this part time you can do technical jobs like work student, HEV, research assistant, etc. Other than that, if you don't find anything in technical, you can also work as part-time, where you can also work in lager shop or restaurants or any of the clothing industries. Accommodation: usually we also suggest to get the accommodation in student end dorm, where you will get cheaper accommodation. If you don't get it, then you need to look for private accommodation, which will usually cost more, and it will also time consuming. Career advisory service is always there, and international student, doctoral candidate, student and help is also always there. About the university: if you need to get to know about the Esslingen University, please go ahead, but as I told you, it has a wide variety or wide history of it. If you get into Esslingen University without any brainer, please join that, which is now one of the famous oldest university amongst